Welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook simple grilled pork shoulder with the authentic Thai dipping sauce or Nam Jin Jaew. It is very quick and simple with just a few ingredients. I have about 800 grams of pork shoulder and half teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of pepper. For the pork shoulder, right, I cut it into a long piece, into a big piece like that, like a fillet. So we're going to grill the whole piece. So it's 2 pieces. We're going to just sprinkle salt on both sides. And for the pepper, turn it. And put the pepper. Alright, meat is marinated. Now we can go and grill it. Switch on the heat and I'm going to put in just about 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. And I'm going to use the brush to wet the pan on the side as well. Now we're going to put the meat on it. I'm just going to cover it with the netting to allow the steam to come out so that the pan will not have too much moisture in there. After 5 minutes, you need to check it in case the pan is really dry. Yes, it's really dry. You need to add a bit of oil. Brush it with a bit of oil because we don't want it to burn. Need to also check at the bottom that we can move the meat or not. You need to try to take it up because when you grill on the pan like this, right, and we have a lot of juice come out. Else if we grill it on the charcoal, all the juice and all that will drop into the fire. So now we can move it easily. It doesn't get stuck on the pan. And I have grilled this for about 10 minutes. I'm going to wait for another 2 minutes. Then we're going to flip. Just 2 more minutes. Alright, it's 12 minutes and the meat at the bottom there is already cooked. I'm cooking longer because the meat is quite big pieces. You see? Nice golden brown. Again, for this side, I'm going to cook for another 12 minutes. And need to keep an eye if it's dry. Need to come in and brush it with oil. Alright, 8 minutes. Let's check on the meat. Oh, look at that. It's cooked. All this, the flavor of the meat, it's all got stuck onto the pan. Very nice. You just need to wrap it like that. Alright, time's up. The meat is well cooked, so I'm going to leave it in the pan here while we prepare the sauce. To make the chili dip, this is the Thai chili flake and roasted ground rice. I have uploaded the video of how to prepare these 2 ingredients. I will share the link down below this video as well. So we have also fish sauce, sugar, cut shallots, lime juice, chopped cilantro and spring onions. It's very easy. We're gonna mix all these ingredients together. First, I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. And I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Then we just mix it until the sugar dissolves. Alright, when the sugar dissolves, we're gonna add in chili flakes. I'm going to put in just about, this is really spicy, 1 tablespoon. Continue to mix it. Then you add in about 1 tablespoon of cut shallots and spring onion and chopped cilantro. Give it a mix again. Give it this. Wow, it's delicious. It's enough spicy, enough salty, sweet, and enough sour. So when you prepare this chili, you really prepare according to your own taste. So if you want to add any more things, you can just do so. But for this one, it's already perfect. So now we're going to add in the roasted ground rice. For the roasted ground rice, I'm going to put in just 1 teaspoon of it. No need to put too much. Okay. Give it a mix. Okay. The chili dip is ready. Now we can go and cut the meat. This dish is really authentic. For the chili dip, it's originated from Northeast Thailand, where I come from. Let's try. I'm gonna take this piece. Look at that. And dip inside here. Wow, very delicious. The meat is tasty and well cooked, and the sauce is spicy, salty, sour, and sweet with a nice fragrance of the roasted chili and also roasted ground rice. Really perfect. Grilled meat and this sauce is really match made in heaven. If you happen to try it, do share the outcome in the comment below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my authentic home cooked food like this. Thank you and bye bye.